Hey everyone! Looking for the best corded electric impact wrench to deliver consistent power for tough fastening jobs? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top performing corded electric impact wrenches of the year, considering torque, durability, features, and real life usability. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. WN 2-Direction Corded Impact Wrench. The WN 2-Direction Corded Impact Wrench is an impressive tool that delivers excellent value for its price. Equipped with a 7.5 amp motor, it produces up to 450 foot-pounds of torque and 6,600 impacts per minute, making it powerful enough to handle a wide variety of fastening and loosening tasks. The motor design ensures consistent performance, whether you are working on automotive repairs or tackling heavy fasteners around the house or workshop. One of its most convenient features is the ability to switch rotational direction easily, allowing users to move from tightening to loosening with minimal effort. This versatility is especially useful for different types of jobs that require quick adjustments. The half-inch hog ring anvil provides reliable socket retention, ensuring secure operation during heavy use while still allowing easy changes when necessary. Number 4. Makita TW0350 Half-Inch Impact Wrench. The Makita TW0350 Impact Wrench is a dependable choice for those who prioritize precision, smooth operation, and durability. Powered by a 3.5 amp motor, it delivers up to 2,000 revolutions per minute, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications without overwhelming the user. Although its torque is lower compared to some other wrenches, it compensates with efficiency and smooth handling, which makes it especially valuable for tasks that require balance between strength and control. The efficient impact system is designed to reduce vibration, which not only increases comfort, but also extends the life of the tool. This feature is particularly helpful during prolonged projects where vibration fatigue can be an issue. The gearing system includes both ball and needle bearings, ensuring precise power transfer and smooth operation. Number 3. Craftsman Impact Wrench. The Craftsman CMEF 901 Impact Wrench is a heavy-duty tool designed for serious work, offering a blend of strength and control that professionals and enthusiasts alike will appreciate. This 7.5 amp corded wrench delivers up to 450 foot-pounds of torque, which makes it ideal for handling large fasteners with ease. Its impressive impact rate of 2,700 impacts per minute ensures quick and efficient removal of bolts and nuts, even when dealing with challenging applications. One of the standout qualities of this model is its variable speed trigger. With a maximum of 2,200 revolutions per minute, it gives the user enhanced control to adjust power depending on the task. This feature is especially valuable for precision work, where too much force can cause damage. The half-inch hog ring anvil makes changing sockets easy and secure, saving time during demanding projects. Weighing 8.7 pounds, it feels sturdy and well-constructed, which adds to the confidence when using it for prolonged periods. The build quality reflects the durability that the Craftsman brand is known for, ensuring the tool can withstand regular use in workshops or garages. Although slightly heavier than some competitors, the added weight contributes to stability during operation. Number 2. Wagon EL 2257 12-volt DC Mighty Impact Wrench. The Wagon EL 2257 12-volt DC Mighty Impact Wrench is a great option for those who need portability without sacrificing functionality. Unlike traditional corded wrenches that require household power, this one connects directly to a vehicle's 12-volt outlet, which makes it an excellent tool for roadside emergencies or quick tire changes. With 271 foot-pounds of torque, it is powerful enough to handle most passenger vehicle lug nuts, even if they have been neglected or over-tightened. One of its standout features is the high no-load speed of up to 5,000 revolutions per minute, which ensures fast and efficient operation when removing or tightening lug nuts. The 3-position switch located near the grip is designed for intuitive control, allowing users to switch easily between forward, lock, and reverse. This makes the tool very user-friendly, even for beginners. An integrated bubble level indicator is also included, which helps align the wrench properly to prevent rounding off lug nuts. This attention to detail shows Wagon's commitment to both performance and precision. Number 1. Eastvolt 800-watt Electric Impact Wrench. The Eastvolt 800-watt Electric Impact Wrench earns the top spot because it delivers the perfect balance of power, design, and reliability. At first glance, you can tell it is built for heavy-duty applications. With a strong 7.5 amp motor, it provides up to 450 foot-pounds of torque, which makes it capable of handling tough jobs such as removing lug nuts, working on larger fasteners, and completing automotive repairs. Unlike many wrenches that struggle with consistency, The East Volt provides a maximum no-load speed of 3,400 revolutions per minute and up to 3,700 impacts per minute. This means tasks are completed faster and with less physical effort. Another highlight is the forward and reverse rocker switch, allowing you to change direction quickly, making it ideal for both fastening and loosening operations. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.